Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulwa TV Tech. How have you been? Today I have a simple question that I want to pose to you guys about programming. I want to know if there are subscribers who will want to learn programming through this YouTube channel. I feel I can be of help, but I want to be so sure if there are people out there who will wish to learn. So there's this simple web app that I've created. Let's first run it on a dev so that you can see how the app looks like. So if you are interested in learning web application, we could do this together, and I share the source code on the video description. But this can only come if I am sure that there are people out there who will wish to learn. So this is the web app. Basically it is just a bare sketch. Like this is both dark and this is a dark mode. You can switch between dark mode and light mode. Then there are these, there are like this drop down menu, there these effects, what they call hover effects. I use the Bootstrap for the CSS. So if we scroll down, you see these animation effects. If you come, you see these animations. You see how nice these things pop up, like they scroll from down to up. Then there's also this scrolling effect. You can also use these dots actually to scroll like this, or you just allow it to scroll on its own. And then down here we have these hover effects on the links. These have effects from Lulwa TV. So yeah, I have many of these projects that I just keep on my PC, but I feel I could help someone out there with these projects. We have a complete source code here. I have this app.js. Then for the animation, I used this React library called AOS. Yeah, it really has some nice animations. And then of course we also use the React icons. So use the React icons. So basically this, and also this slider, React slider, it's also a React library. The React slider is actually this one. It is this one that is sliding from left to right. I think from right to left. So yeah, basically this is what I wanted to inquire from you. And if you're interested in learning, we could engage ourselves in this. I'll start dropping videos on this channel, and you could learn some few programming skills. So yeah, I'll be expecting uh, I'll be expecting your comments, replies, feedback about this. So it will entirely depend on you people. If you're interested in learning, I'll be able to show you all these skills. These are basic skills, and if you are really interested in learning these things, you can learn, because it takes passion, really. This is all about passion. If you're passionate about something, you always learn it. But if the passion is not there, it will be very hard to convince you. Most people fear coding because they say these things look like something a normal human being cannot understand. But have you asked yourself how others do it? If others can do it, why not you? If human beings can treat uh, other human beings like doctors, they do so much on our body, I believe those things are tougher than these codes. Much as this one needs concentration, but when you really give your time to this, trust me, you learn it. So this is it, and this is the project I just wanted to show to you. And if you're interested in learning, we can start up, and we could even start up with this. So if you have ever seen these online shops, this is how they design them. Actually, it's just a matter of a few things to make this web app functional. Things like subscription, and of course the back end. So this is basically the front end, what you customers see. Then you can use tools like Supabase to manage the back end without even having any knowledge about back end development. So basically this is it, and this is my question to you. So if you're interested, you tell me, and I'll judge from the number of replies I get. And if I get enough replies, I'll be able to drop the source code of this, and probably the video also of how you can design it. So thank you so much for being with me. I see you again in the next one. Thank you.